Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I wanted to show you how to check for updates for Windows 10. So just go to the bottom left corner here, click on Start, and you're going to go up to Settings, and right here, Update and Security. Click there. And here you want to check the latest updates uh, to make sure that everything's running correct, everything's up to date. So all you have to do is check for updates, click that, and it's going to take a little bit to check for the updates to see if there's anything that you need to install. Sometimes you'll notice that the computer's starting to run a little slow. You'll get a notification saying that you need to update. So as of now, it tells me that I'm up to date. But this is how you get to checking and updating Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions on the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.